8 divided by 2 times 1 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 times 1 by 2. So here 8 divided by 2 by 2. Cancel this. So 8 divided by 1, which is 8. But this is the incorrect solution. So what will be the correct solution? So write the question 8 divided by 2 times 1 by 2. So here you know the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. So here multiplication, division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So here we go from left to right because division and multiplication both have equal priorities, therefore first we'll solve this one. We go from left to right. So here 4 will come times 1 by 2. So 4 by 2, which is 2. The correct value for this expression is 2.